Hi viewers, hi subscribers. This is my recent Chinese factory visit, and this company manufactures some very interesting packaging products that I will be showing you in my next videos. It is very important to visit the factory, not just their showroom. By visiting the factory, the manufacturer can take you seriously, knowing that if there's problems with the products, you can always come back. You avoid getting rejects and poor quality products, and you can inspect all the products on site. Now, if I hadn't been to this factory, I wouldn't have known about the other products that they do manufacture, other packaging products that they do manufacture. I was really shocked, and I advise that you watch the next video because their packaging products are very good. If you order products from manufacturers, I am aware that packaging is the most important thing. It's something that I am considering to venture into, and you will see the journey of me launching the company, this business of supplying factories, manufacturers with packaging material. This is going to be in the next few weeks or few months. Actually, this should be accomplished by end of July. Now, if you can't make it to China to visit these factories, to go inspect the factory and to go inspect the products, you can always get a sourcing agent. A sourcing agent can go to the factory on your behalf, inspect the products on your behalf, and give you the correct and very good feedback. You get better deals also if you do visit the factories, and because you build a relationship with the manufacturers. They know you in person or on your behalf. They know somebody on your behalf, so they'll be willing to do business and do you some favors alongside it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, ask any questions about sourcing products from China. I will be happy to answer your questions, and enjoy my other content where I'll be visiting other factories as well, and assisting you and giving you an insight into sourcing products from China.